Weird. Ooh, fuck. See, like how good them exhaust ones are burning.
Oh yeah, that looks extremely good, that plug does. In case you guys didn't know from the title of the video, we're changing plugs. We're going to show you how to do it today. And it's pretty simple, especially if you got this toolkit right here. These do gap. They supposed to come pre-gap. We're going to trust the store on these.
You're looking.
Just when replacing your plugs, give your engine time to properly cool down because you don't want burned. Use your special tool, pull your plug wire off, and then insert your new one in the hole because you probably enjoy inserting things in holes. But don't over tighten it. They snug up, and then we'll show you what to do to the next one. It's very simple to do this yourself, but I figured I'd make this video because it's been a while since I made a motorcycle video for you guys and you enjoyed the ones that I have made. And it's got 4 spark plugs, by the way, and we're removing this in the same way we did the first one, just using the factory tool. It's best to use this tool. If you ain't got it, I suggest picking it up, but a regular spark plug socket should work. But yeah, that plug don't look too bad. This is pretty much the part number we are using for these plugs, just in case you got the same bike and want to use the same as we are using. We picked these up at AutoZone, but you can get them at Advance Auto and O'Reilly's and probably any other part store. So the same way, gently remove your plug wire and then, use the factory tool. As I said, it's pretty simple. That plug has been running a little bit hot, but it's burning pretty good, looks like.
If I don't come off, I'm gonna be mad as fuck.
It looks ripped, and we don't want to get a good firm grip right here. Down on there and pull.
Yep. We sometimes, when we work on people's stuff, we try to teach them how to fix it themselves.
God!
Go ahead, pull.
Why is it like that?
I don't know. Your bike.
God. That ain't coming out, boys. I'm gonna tell you.
Sometimes these plug boots, as you can see, is pretty stuck on, but sometimes pliers can help.
WD-40 or grease or anything we can put back on that?
You don't want to put WD-40.
Put grease on it?
Don't want to put grease on
Oh
it.
my God.
They make lithium grease.
Do that.
They make dilithium grease for spark plug wires.
You ain't got none, do you?
Yeah.
Sure you want to pull this knife? I think it's bad shape. It's ripped all the way around.
Oh yeah, that plug wire is sticking. Man, probably could take a one way and fit in that fin and pry up on it. I know it's what you was trying with that. So we're trying to get this plug wire off, and this plug wire is absolutely broke. Look, that's the problem with this bike. This bike had a bad miss.
You see the sound ring shop boat?
Yeah.
And this one?
Yeah.
These fins right here come off, and we can reach in there.
True, we could remove the fins. We shouldn't have to do that.
My tool's all right here. They're all out though. Hold on.
Got Allen wrench in it?
Hold on. I'll just give you everything.
That's your problem.
That wire.
The plug wire shot.
So the cool thing about these fins is you got these little Allen head bolts, and when you run into a dilemma like this, you can remove these. And if you have problems with moving your boots before, usually if they stuck that hard, then it's probably time to replace them. I don't know why one was stuck, but it was this bike's been missing pretty bad, and I guess that's been the issue.
Well, if you don't care, Daniel, it might have showed me something else on the internet there. Can you look me up a set of wires for the 97 1100 Shadow? I typed it in, and that's what it brought me up. That part.
Just break the whole head off that butt plug. Oh, it finally came.
But I need 4 wires.
You bent then.
It bent. No wonder it's fucking trouble coming out. So this is the point that when you're replacing your spark plugs, sometimes you might have to replace your wires, but you get the idea of how to do it yourself. And these plugs look actually okay, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
It's been this wire that's causing the misfire. It's been broken. So just to get by for tonight, we are stripping the plug wire. We added a bit of wire to it, and we don't have a boot no more, so we're using shrink wrap. You got to think out of it. Think out of the box that you're in. And then we're going to use fire to connect it off.
Got your over the gas leak.
Yeah, we do got a small gas leak here, but I think we'll be fine.
Fire. I'll burn it down. What'd you run for, bud?
Yeah, who says we need to pay $14 for a new boot? That's a whole set of plug wires, though.
Redneck engineering right there.
Stay tuned and subscribe for more life hacks.
We have a flu.
Yeah, the other one's out in the building. Whoever invented heat shrink probably didn't think of this use for it.
So maybe.
We're gonna start now.
Start.
After you get your plugs installed, go ahead and test fire it up, and it should run pretty good. Runs pretty good. Even with the homemade plug wire. So if you enjoyed this content, be sure to get subscribed if you're new. And if this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoy these motorcycle videos, you know, let us know. We enjoy hearing from everyone. I try to make videos every single day, so check back. Always something new. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.